Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Figma libraries to manage UI updates. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Open Figma and navigate to the main dashboard.
Locate the file that contains the library you want to update.
Open the library file by clicking on it.
Check the current components and styles in the library to identify any that need updating.
Create a list of the components you wish to modify or replace. Navigate to the Assets panel on the left side of your Figma interface.
Select the library you want to update from the list of available libraries.
Click on the Design tab to view the components in your library. Select a component you want to update. Make your desired changes to the component by adjusting properties or replacing elements.
Once you finish editing, hover over the component and click on the Update button that appears.
Add a description of the changes you've made for better team communication. Repeat the updating process for any additional components on your list. After updating all components, return to the Assets panel.
Toggle the library off and then back on again to refresh it.
Check for any notifications related to components that need to be relinked or fixed.
Once everything is synced, open a file where you use the updated library.
Select the components in your design and ensure they reflect the latest updates.
If necessary, adjust the layout or styles in your design to accommodate the updates.
Collaborate with your team to gather feedback on the updated components. Finalize any further changes based on the team's input.
Conclude your update process by ensuring all components are functioning as intended in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.